Hello students. Now we will do the questions based on different integral as the limit of sum. Earlier we have done the concept of different integral as the limit of sum. Now we will do the questions based on that. But before doing the questions, you should you should know what are the various formulae that will be used in this different integral as the limit of sum. Firstly, that you have done in class 11th, sequence and series, some special series there, and some sequence and series you have done this formula summation n square, summation n cube. Summation n is equal to, that is the sum of n numbers 1, 2, 3, so on up to n, is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 there. Summation of n square, that is sum of the squares of n natural numbers, where n belongs to natural number. n क्या है? Natural number. Summation n square, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 up to n square, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. And summation n cube, sum of the cubes of n natural numbers, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So now these are the sum of n terms there. But if there are n minus 1 terms, what we have to do? Replace n by n minus 1 in these formula. I have done here. Summation n minus 1, n replaces n minus 1, here n minus 1 plus 1 cancel, n by divided by 2. This you can do easily. After that, this is the AP, sum of n terms there. You know very well formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the other formula, that is n by 2 first term plus last term. This is the GP, sum of n terms of the GP, that is equal to a into r raised to power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, where r is the common ratio, it is greater than 1, so by this formula used. And after that, the limit concept, limit h approaches to 0, e raised to power h minus 1 upon a to b x dx. So now, to calculate this integral as the limit of sum, firstly, compare it with a to b fx dx. Now you can see that the limits are same, but the function fx, that is equal to x. So here we find the value of nh, that is equal to b minus a, this well, and one by one you have to calculate the value f of a plus h, then f of a plus 2h, then so on, f of a plus n minus 1 into h. So what will be f of a? That is a. What is f of a plus h? A plus h, a plus 2h, and then the last is a plus n minus 1 into h. So now you have to put all these formulae in the main formula of the definite integral as the limit of sum. What is that formula? Limit h approaches to 0 I am writing a to b fx dx, that is equal to limit h approaches to 0 h f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus so on, and in the last f of a plus n minus 1 into h. This is the formula. Now this formula we have to put the values. What you will get after putting the value, that is limit h approaches to 0 h into, what is the value of f of a? A. What is the value of f of a plus h? A plus h. Then a plus 2h plus so on. In the last, a plus n minus 1 into h. So now you can clearly see the series, two types of series are formed inside the bracket. One is of a, the other is of term containing h. So you will take firstly a. How many times a will come? N times, because in the first term a is present. This is the sum of n terms. Don't see here n minus 1 because it is starting from a. So here is a plus 0 into h. So when the term starting from 0 up to n minus 1, these are n terms. Then the next is term containing h, we will take h common, 1 plus 2 plus so on, and the last n minus 1. Bracket is closed. So now when this a is added n times, what do you get? N. And this is the sum of n minus 1 terms, so it becomes summation n minus 1. What was the result of summation n minus 1? N minus 1 into n by 2. So you will multiply h inside. What you will get? NH into A plus, now this h into h square. So one h will be multiplied in this bracket and one h will be here multiplied. So you will get nh minus h into nh by 2. So what was the value of nh? That is b minus a. So you will put here and here. But where is h coming there? You will put the value of h is equal to 0. जहाँ पे h होगा वहाँ पे क्या put करना? 0. And where is nh? That is equal to b. Here is nh is b minus a into a plus b minus a minus 0 because h is here, and outside is b minus a divided by 2. So what you will get? I am taking b minus a common outside. Inside is a plus, say this b minus a is outside common, one b minus a will be there. So b minus a into 2a plus b minus a divided by 2. So this will become b plus a, 2a minus a, b minus a into b plus a, that is b square minus a square divided by 3x square dx. Now there are the values of a and b. So when you will compare it with a to b fx dx, what are the values of a and b then? A will be equal to 2 and b will be equal to 3, so that the nh is equal to b minus a, that is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And what is the function fx? That is x square. So what is the value of f of a? First, f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, then f of a plus n minus 1 into h. So all these values we have to find out. Firstly, what is f of a? What is the value of a? That is 2. So you will find f of 2. So it will be 2 square. That is 4. F of a plus h, that is f of 2 plus h. So what will be 2 plus h square? A plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus 2h, f of a plus 2h, that is f of 2 plus 2h. So it will be 2 plus 2h whole square. What will be that? 4 a square plus 2ab plus b square. And so, what will be f of a plus n minus 1 into h? That is 2 plus n minus 1 into h. That is 2 plus n minus 1 into h whole square. So what it will be equal to? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So all these values we have got: f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus n minus 1 into h. So now we have to put all these values in the formula to get the definite integral of this function as the limit of sum. Now you can see from all these values coming on the right hand side, you can clearly see that there are three types of series formed. One is of 4 will be added n times, the other will be of h, and the third one is of h square. So these three series will be there So when you will put the formula of 2 to 3 x square dx, firstly I will write the formula because formula should be written so that you can easily get what we will have to do. So always write the formula so that this formula will be learned to you. You can see that in this case 2 to 3 x square dx, when we write the formula and after that in this formula we have put the values, three types of series are formed. First is of 4, the second is of term containing h, the third is of x square. So 4 is added how many times? N times. And in terms of h, there are n minus 1 term because the term started from the second term. And in the third series also the term started from the second term. So there are also n minus 1 terms there. So you have written this. 2 to 3 x square dx will be equal to limit h approaches to 0, h inside is 4 is added n times, 4n it will become 4n. Then after that 4h n minus 1 terms ka sum, that is summation n minus 1, that is n minus 1 into n by 2. And after that h square, sum of the squares of n minus 1 natural number, that is summation n minus 1 square, that is n minus 1 into n into 2n minus 1 upon 6. So this you will get. So when h is multiplied inside, you will get 4nh. Now this h, this 2 you can cancel, 2 to 4. So this h will be multiplied with this h square. So 1h will be here multiplied, 1h will be here multiplied. So you will get nh minus h, and then outside is nh, plus h into h square, h cube. So 1h is here multiplied, 1h is here, 1h is here. So nh minus h, nh, 2nh minus h divided by 6. So this is the result inside the bracket. So where is only h is there, you will put the limit is equal to 0. Where that value will be equal to 0. Here 0, here 0 will become, here 0 will become. And the value of nh we have calculated, that is 3 minus 2, 1. So what you will get? 4 into 1, 4, plus 2 into 1 minus 0, and outside is 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 0 upon 6. So 4 plus 2, 6, 1 into 2, 2, 2 by 6, 1 by 3. So 6 3 the 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. This is 0 to 4, x plus e raised to power 2x dx. Now you can clearly see in this question what are the values of a 0 and b 4. So nh is equal to b minus a is equal to 4 minus 0, 4. What is the function of x? X plus e raised to power 2x. So firstly find the value of f of a, then f of a plus h, then f of a plus 2h, then so on, f of a plus n minus 1 into h. So firstly f of a 0, f of 0 is 0 plus e raised to power 0, that is equal to 1. What is a plus h? 0 plus h. So you will get h plus e raised to power 2h. So next, a plus 2h, that is f of 2h. So 2h plus e raised to power 2 into 2h, 4h. So in the last, f of a plus n minus 1 into h, a is 0. So f of n minus 1 into h, what it will be? It will be in place of x, put n minus 1 into h plus e raised to power 2 into x की जगह पे n minus 1. So now after this you will get h into this is sum of n minus 1 terms, n minus 1 into n by 2, and this is the what is the series, that is GP, having how many terms, n terms, because it started from 1 which is e raised to power 0. So e raised to power 0 से शुरू है, तो 0 से n minus 1, that is n terms there. So what was the formula? A into r raised to power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. A is 1, r e raised to power 2h raised to power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. So after this, when h is multiplied inside, h square, one h is here, one h is here multiplied, nh minus h, and outside nh divided by 2. Second term, the limit we will write separately. When this h is multiplied here, that h we will write in the denominator of the denominator. This h will be right here. This h into 1h will come in the denominator of denominator. So e raised to power 2nh minus 1 divided by e raised to power 2h minus 1 upon h. यहाँ पे आएगा h, और साथ में क्या है, limit h approaches to 0. Now you can see here this h will be 0 there, and nh value is 4, and here is 2 4 by 8. Now to calculate this limit, we already know that the limit x approaches to 0, e raised to power x minus 1 upon x is equal to 1. Whatever is the power in the power phi, that should be the denominator. So here the power is 2h. So here 2h should be there. So 2 will be multiplied and 2 will be here. Multiplied and divided by 2. So this result will be equal to 1. 1 into 2. So 16 in the both the denominator is 2 there. 16 plus e raised to power 8 minus 1, that is 15 plus e raised to power 8 divided by 2.